Sassy Claus. Excuse me. Today's video is all CJP as usual. I don't know why I keep saying that because you all know that I only use CJP. Anyway, today's set was on my other daughter, my younger daughter Emily, and she's got a lovely dark green dress that she's wearing for a do tomorrow night. So she wanted something to complement them. I didn't have that green. All I had was the olive tree green from CJP, which wasn't the right colour. So what I did was I added some, I think it was sapphire I added to it to make it a really dark green, which is what I'm putting on now. Don't ask me why I put clear down, I've no idea. I think I thought I was putting some glitter down or something. So and then I've gone in with, I think it's 24 carat. And do you know what? I'm a bugger for these. I think it's from Glitter Planet. I put GP on the pot, so it must be Glitter Planet. 24 carat gold, that must be. And then this next one is the green again. And then I'm going to, do you know what? My memory is rubbish. I've literally only done them an hour ago and I can't remember what I've put on this. I think it's a full nail of green, and then what happened was, because I was wiping my brush on my kitchen paper, I was picking up loads of glitter and I caught loads of glitter on the side. So you'll see me now trying to get it off before it sets. Yeah, this is a full nail of the green. I thought I was going mad then. And then the next nail, when I watched my video back, my last one, I was talking about nails as in fingers. I was saying this finger and that finger instead of this nail and that nail. I don't know why I was doing that. It was a bit crazy. So this next nail is with some gold leaf. Now you've seen me use the copper gold leaf. This is ordinary gold, like bright gold, yellow gold. And I got it from eBay with some rose gold, pot of rose gold and a pot of silver, and they are rammed full. £3.50 for the three, which I think is a bargain. And it's lovely to use if you want to have a go at using this leaf. It's really lovely and it's really effective. Excuse me. So we did both hands the same, but I've only recorded one. I didn't leave any filing in, as I don't, but I've top coated both hands so you can see the design come to life. So this is the gold leaf, and like I say, be mindful when you get it all out that if you breathe near it, it flies all over your desk, workstation. Right, so after this one, I think I do an ombre with two glitters. So I've got the 24 carat, and then I've also got I Am Lizard, which is like a bronzy gold and a green. Now somebody please tell me where that's from. It's either Glitter Planet, which I think it probably is, or it's Glitter Fairy. You know I only buy from three places, those two and obviously CJP. So if you put in I Am Lizard, you will find it, and it is gorgeous. So before I put the glitter down, obviously I'm going to put a layer of crystal glass down, just so the glitter doesn't actually stick to the nail bed. So this is the I Am Lizard, and this is more like the colour of her dress, like this dark green. So I thought that would be perfect. And then I'm going to do an ombre with the 24 karat gold, just to kind of tie in the gold that we've done on the nail next door, really. My own design. I didn't nick it from anybody, which makes a change. I did want to do another green one that I'd seen, which had a couple of matte green nails, and it had a mirrored green nail, and she didn't want that. She didn't like it. It was too fancy. It had a reverse application. Oh, it was beautiful. And she's like, no, don't want that. So these we kind of just did as we went along. And even these are a bit jazzy for Emily. She doesn't normally do nails like these. But she's got a special night tomorrow, so I thought they're just going to look lovely with her dress. And then obviously when these are all on, we cap them all in crystal glass. I'm using my new big boy brush. Get me. I struggled the first time I used it, and I was literally just using the tip and not using the belly of the brush. I couldn't really figure out how to use it. I don't think I used the belly of the brush that much on this application. This is my second time using it, but I did find it a lot easier to use, especially the point of the brush and being precise. I didn't think it would be so precise being so big, but it actually is. And I managed to do a couple of nails, one bead application as well with my crystal glass, so it must do something. Obviously you're putting more on, aren't you? And I managed to do that anyway, so I was quite proud of myself. I'm going to add some, oh excuse me, I always yawn when I record. I don't know what that's about. I can't just always be tired every time I'm doing a voiceover. It's really weird. Anyway, I decided to put some gold leaf on top of this because I'd done that before on the nails that I'm still wearing, actually, those autumn ones. I've had them on for like, must be 3 weeks. And I just thought it really, it was stunning, absolutely stunning. And then chuck some glitter in between as well, you'll see in a minute, just to make them really sparkly, a bit Christmassy. I think the other thumb that I did was a bit more sparkly with this because I put the I Am Lizard glitter on and I didn't on this one, so they do look a bit different. Right, look at me with that now, one ball method, get me. Tell you what, it doesn't half make it easier if you can get all that on in one go. Look at that, how fast was that? Using the belly of my brush and everything. I'm impressed myself, I have to say. Considering I only do one set a week now, if that. So I'm really getting out of practice. I need to kind of do some more really, but it's hard when you work full time as well. There you go, trying to do one ball with this one as well. I think I managed it, but I think I come back in with some more just to put a little bit more on the apex, just to give it a little bit more strength, if I remember rightly. Yeah, there you go. Just to give it that little bit more and give it some shape. These nails actually didn't take much time to file them at all. I think as long as you get your application on quite smooth, you've got way less filing. I don't know what happened with that one. I think I put way too much on with that one. Sorry, Emily, I can't get Emily's fingers out of the way so you can see. Yeah, pretty much one ball with that one as well. A little bit more around the cuticle area and the apex. And the end. Oh dear. Gotta be right. And then this is the I Am Lizard and the 24 karat gold ombre. Now no matter how much I put glitter down first and hope that it's set, it still moves around when I put my crystal glass on. It's a pain in the arse. But still managed to do it in one bead, near enough. I realised when I came to file that nail, I didn't need that extra bead at the bottom because it took me ages to file that down. So I should have just left it with the one bead. I think we can just put too much on, can't we? Thinking, have we covered all the glitter? But I had. I think you need to go with your instinct. And don't think, oh, I'll put more on to be safe. No. This green is beautiful. Be lovely for Christmas, I think. Green, gold, maybe a bit of red with it. It's very Christmassy. We said that about the other thumbnail because we'd put the extra glitter on. Look, actually looked like a Christmas tree. It was beautiful. When we come to put top coat on, you'll see it actually. Which will be very soon. Don't know what the pause is there for, sorry. No, we haven't finished that one. We're just putting a little bit more crystal glass on here. to strengthen and put the apex in the right place. And some more on the bottom. Stunning. Okay, so now should be top coating. Here we go. Gorgeous. Green and gold, gorgeous. So if you haven't got any green, you know, you need to go and get some. Lovely. I have to decide what to do on mine for my next set. I have got some lovely glitter from Sonia Williams, which is called Jane something, actually. Oh God, what was it called? It's like a gunmetal, silvery grey. Janey something. Well, if I do it, I'll obviously record it and show you. They're definitely going to be my next set. It's like a really dark grey that she used. I think I might have to make one up actually with some, I've got that Opium Noir which I might use, which is like a bluey black. And put a bit of grey in that maybe. This is the other nail, look at this one. Look how stunning that is. It's like I say, it's like a Christmas tree, it's so beautiful. Put a bit more glitter on that one. Oh, I can't stop yawning. It's only 8:30 at night. I don't know what's the matter with me. I'm like an old lady. Well, I hope you like this video. Very plain. Well, it's not too plain, but it's simple enough to do. Very quick to do. Please subscribe if you haven't already and have a look at my other videos. I've got a few on now. And subscribe. I'd love that. I do appreciate everybody subscribing and the lovely comments that you leave me. It really does kind of inspire me to do more and carry on. So I will see you in the next one. So thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. Bye now. Bye, bye, bye.